We will be air writing our V, W, X, Y, and Z letters with a flashlight. Remember, these letters all start up at the smiley face. These letters all have diagonals. Diagonals are fun slides. Woo! They're not too fast and they're not too slow. They're just right. Let's go. Let's start with V. Ready? Start up at the smiley face. Side down, side up. Now let's try W. Side down, side up. Do it again. Good job. Now let's try X. Side down, side down. Let's try Y. Side down, stop. Slide all the way down. And now let's try Z. Go across, side down, go across. Good job practicing your V, W, X, Y, and Z letters today. Bye!